Hi, I'm going to show how to replicate trades from NT8 into Sierra charts. So in this video I'm going to go through three basic steps. One, I'm going to configure NT8 as a source endpoint and Sierra charts as a destination endpoint, which means that when I place orders into NT8 and they get filled, those fills get replicated from NT8 into Sierra charts respectively. So let's get going with that. The first thing I'm going to do is configure the NT8 side. Okay, so for that, let's start by firing up the add-on, which I think is currently not up. Okay, so I go here, click New, Replicator, brings up a window like this. Tells me the port is 50005, which we're going to need for the add-on, for the endpoint. So let's do that. New endpoint. And this is going to be our NT8 source endpoint for account SIM 101. And I just typed that in so I can remember. On this side, what we need to do is basically configure two things. There are three things. One, it's currently the source, so nothing to do there. Change the port to 50005, like so. And change the account name from SIM1 to SIM101, right? Which is the account I want to work with. Click OK. Test that this works. So I'm just going to see that it connects. Okay, so I can see that this turned green and number of connections changed to 1. So that looks okay. Next, we're going to configure the Sierra chart endpoint as a destination, right? Because we want to send orders from NinjaTrader and then see them appear in Sierra charts. So on the Sierra chart side, if I go into the DTC settings, I can see that it's listening on port 11101. Okay, 11101. Got to remember that. Create a new endpoint. This will be our Sierra chart destination, and this is going to be going to SIM1. And this is 11101. This will be a destination, and yep, that looks okay. Now we need to map our symbols, right? Because in NinjaTrader, the symbols look slightly different than they do in Sierra charts. So in this example, I'm going to replicate from MNQ to MNQ. So MNQ 0621 is the contract on NinjaTrader side, the source side. And then on the destination, we want that to go to MNQ M21-CME. Okay, how do I know that? Because if I look down here, this is the chart, right? This is the symbology that's used in Sierra charts. So it's MNQ M21-CME to MNQ 0621. Sorry, opposite. MNQ 0621 to the Sierra chart symbol here. Like so. Click OK. And let's say that this connects. So I'm going to connect to my destination, and I get the green thingy. And if I want to confirm it here, I can look at the message log. It's a convenient place to look, and I can see that this looks okay. Okay. Now we need to enable them, right? They're connected, so now we're going to enable everything. And now they're both enabled. And now I go to the NinjaTrader, and I'm going to submit a buy market.
Order filled.
Okay, so On NinjaTrader, we're long 1 at this point, and we can see that here. We can see that in the Positions tab as well, right? And on Sierra charts, we're also long 1. This got transmitted. Okay. If I look on the replication log, we can see that happening here. Okay. It's these two. This one. Okay, so I went from the NT source to CR chart destination, and that's all good. Now I'm going to flatten it. Okay, so I'll close the position.
Order filled.
NinjaTrader gets flat. So the position disappeared, and CR chart is also flat now.